You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this ingredient from Southeastern Asia, India, Pakistan, Nepal. Cheese, a type of soft cheese, pronounced either Khoya, if it's this spelling, Khoya, also referred to as Khoa, which sometimes it doesn't have the Y in the spelling, so Khoa or Khoya. How to pronounce English pronunciation, also Indian Khoya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.